Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare mutton keema paratha. In this recipe, we are going to stuff the paratha with minced mutton along with spices. Let's get started. We need 200 grams of minced mutton or keema, 1 finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 finely chopped tomato, 1 finely chopped chili, coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, oil or butter as per need, 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of atta, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's see the preparation. In a bowl, add the minced mutton or keema. I taken 200 grams. Let's add the garam masala and turmeric powder 1 teaspoon each. Let's add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can add less chili powder also. Let's add ginger and garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Let's add finely chopped onion, finely chopped tomato, fine chopped green chili and corianders, salt to taste. Let's mix all these ingredients together and we are going to marinate this mixture for some time. Let us close the lid and we are going to marinate it for 20 minutes. Meantime, we are going to prepare our paratha dough. For that, we are adding 1 cup of atta and 1 cup of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt to taste, oil or butter as per need. I have taken oil here. You can add butter also. Let us add water and make our dough. When you are preparing dough for any paratha or chapati, we need to add the water gradually so that the consistency of the dough will be good and the paratha will be soft. So I am just doing the same. Now our paratha dough is almost ready and I am going to knead it for some more time by adding little bit of oil. So I am just kneading it. Now our paratha dough is ready. I'm just going to keep it aside for 20 minutes. Meantime, we can prepare our stuffing, the keema masala stuffing. So for that, we need to add oil in a hot pan. Let's add the keema mixture which we marinated 20 minutes before. So now we are going to cook this minced mutton in the oil for around 10 to 15 minutes. It will not take long time as it is minced mutton. So you need to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. I just closed the lid and I just waited. Now our minced mutton masala is ready. Along with all the spices, this minced mutton will be flavorsome and the smell will be lovely. So now our stuffing is ready for the paratha. Let us make the paratha now. And I am just rolling one paratha here. So when you are preparing the paratha, it should not be so thin. It can be little bit thick. So you keep the stuffing inside. Before that, you need to add butter or oil on the paratha. So let us add the keema. So you can have a smaller paratha also. And main thing is your paratha should be little bit thick. So I am just closing the paratha, folding the paratha like this. So you can just fold it normally also, like in a square or rectangular shape. So I just closed all the edges. When you are rolling the paratha, you should be careful so that the masala should not come out. So our paratha is ready. Now we are going to fry the paratha in a tawa. Just place it in a hot tawa and add oil or butter around the corners and on the top, as you do for normal parathas and chapati. So we are going to flip it over and make sure that both the sides cook properly. The inside filling is already cooked. Now we are cooking the paratha only. Now we can see the red spots already coming up. So it is the time we can just switch off the flame and we can transfer our paratha to a plate. Our mutton keema paratha is ready to serve. It is a delicious recipe along with all spices with minced mutton. All the meat lovers can try this recipe and let us know. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you. Happy cooking.